Blue screen of death. Now what do we do? Hey there, everybody. This is Tom with Tom's Tech Show, and today we're going to be going over how to get some data out of your blue screen of death. Before I do that, just want to let everybody know that I've started a new channel called Tom's Talk Show. Now, this channel is straight into politics, pop culture, news, anything going on, just to kind of dig into those kinds of things. I put a few here on this channel every once in a while, and it really doesn't fit with the tech stuff that I do over here. So, new channel, go over there, like, share, subscribe. The link is down in the description. All right. So today we're going to kind of review. I got a server. It's getting the blue screen of death. We're going to try and find out what's going on, what might be happening to it. So first thing we need to do is we need to look when you reboot and come back on the server. It's going to ask you. It's going to say Windows is recovered from an unexpected shutdown. So it's going to give you this here, right? This mini dump file. This is what's in memory. That's what's probably going on. This is the last thing that Windows knew was going on before it crashed, right? So we have that. You can also look through your event logs. So let's go look at those. Here to administrative tools. Let's go to event viewer. So see what this kind of points to. So we pull up our system event logs, kind of review these a little bit. So we're going to look for some errors. So there's one error. That's a service that I know about already. So here we go. Here's one called previous shutdown was unexpected. Okay, so that means something happened. Okay, so then this term DD, RDP protocol detected an error in the protocol stream, disconnected the client. So that's kind of something going on. Fatal generated internal error. That's not good. Okay, so we see some errors going on in this term DD. Now, can we confirm that? Do we know this is kind of what's going on? Let's find out. So we take this mini dump file here and we copy it to another system that I have in the Windows Store. You can download and install this WinDbg program that helps you analyze things inside a computer. So we're going to just click open from there. So that gets us our Windows WinDbg window open. So we're going to go File, go open a dump file. So, and here on my desktop, right here, I've got that dump file that was created, and I'm going to click open. So it's going to come down. They make it pretty easy here. Once you get it loaded, you just click this Analyze button, and that's going to throw in the Analyze command, and it's going to run through what it sees in there. It's going to give you some analysis of what's going on. And right there, it comes up and says the last thing it knows that had a failure was this term DD program, termdd.sys. So then that matches with what we were seeing in the event log, that term DD was having a problem. So next step is I did some searches for term DD and just try to look over what's, is there anything out there that I can find that's related to blue screen and this term DD. So I did find something. Someone was having a problem, and it turned out to be a VMware driver, so remote desktop driver. There's some general steps that somebody gives, but down here they switched their graphic driver to the standard VGA driver instead of the VMware graphic driver, and they didn't have no expected reboots after about 2 weeks. So that's much longer than I'm running for, so in my blue screens. So probably take that solution and apply it. I mean, there may be other solutions. They also mentioned here another hotfix right there that you can install. So there are a few different solutions. So from the dump file, we were able to find some in the logs. We were able to find some information there. We were able to do a web search, go and get some possible things that we can do to solve that. So that's kind of how you walk through using those dump files. Now they're in the mini dumps are in the C Windows mini dump directory. I think also there's a main big huge dump that it will do that's just in Windows System 32 that you can find and dig around, get out, and that's like a 300 meg file based on how much memory you have and stuff, what it will drop. So there you go. That's kind of some ways you can step through solving your blue screens, especially on some older systems that don't play as well as newer systems. Things have gotten better over the years, but you still, every once in a while, you got to do this blue screen analysis and find out what's going on. All right. Thanks for watching. Be sure to head over to Tom's Talk Show and like, share, and subscribe and watch what's going on. And comment over there and comment down here. Helps the channels all grow. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.